Om Shanti class. Let's do today linear equation based on age. Yeah, age related problems. Now, Kiran is 24 years older than Rakesh. 10 years back, Kiran's age was 5 times the age of Rakesh. Find their ages. Let present age of Kiran be X. Then what will be Rakesh's age? His age will be X minus 24 because Kiran is older than Rakesh. If Kiran is X, then Rakesh is X minus 24. Clear to you? Now, 10 years ago, that means 10 साल पहले. Is it clear to you? What will be Kiran age? It will be X minus 10. And what will be Rakesh age? क्योंकि present age is X minus 24. तो 10 years back his age will be X minus 24 minus 10. That is X minus 34. Is it clear to you? So Kiran age 10 years ago was 5 times the age of Rakesh. So 10 years ago Kiran was X minus 10 and 10 years ago Rakesh's age was X minus 34. So it is 5 times. So I'll multiply this with 5. Rakesh's age with 5. So x minus 10 equals to 5x minus 170. So minus 10, you will bring 1 minus 170 from right to left. It will become 170. You will bring x from left hand side to right hand side. So it will become 5x minus x. Right. So it will be 4x equals to 160. And value of x will come to how much? 40. Right. So what is Kiran's present age? So Kiran's age is 40 and Rakesh age is, it is x minus 24. So it is 40 minus 24. How much will it be? It will be 16 years. So Kiran is 20 years and Rakesh is 16 years. Clear to you? Ago means it will be minus. Right. Now just see the age, another question. The age of Ravi and Hema are in the ratio 5:7. Is it clear to you? Now 4 years later. So let Ravi's present age be 5x because what is the ratio? 5 and 7. Then what will be Hema's age? It will be 7x. 4 years later, after 4 years, 4 साल के बाद, what will be Ravi's age? Ravi's age is equals to how much? 5x plus 4. And Hema's age, it will be, what is the present age? 7x. So it will be 7x plus 4. Right. Ago will be minus and hence means later. Later means after 4 years. So it will be plus. So what did they say? That 4 years later their ages will be in the ratio 3:4. So it means Ravi age upon Hema's age will be equals to 3/4. Now you know how to cross multiply. 4 into 5x plus 4 is equals to 3. 7x plus 4. So when you open the bracket, it will be 20x plus 16. equals to 21x plus 3 4 is 12. Bring x on the right hand side. So 16 minus 12. Okay. Why I brought it here? Because 21 is greater than 20. So 21x minus 20x is equals to x. So x is equals to 4. Right. So what is Ravi's age? What is Ravi's age? It is how much? It was 5x. It means it is 5 into 4. It will come to 20 years. And what is Hema's age? What is Hema's age? It was 7x. So it is 7 into 4. That is 28 years. I think it is clear to you. Okay. Now let's do some question on mensuration. Right. No problem. The width of a Sudha's garden is 2/3 of its length. If the parameter is 40 meter, find its dimension. Okay. Now let the length of the garden be x, then width is 2/3 of x. What is the parameter? We know parameter is twice length plus breadth. And width means the breadth only. Is it clear to you? What is the parameter given to us? It is given to us 40. So 40 equals to twice. What is the length? Length is x. What is the breadth? 2/3 of x. So if I divide 40 by 2, you know x plus 2x upon 3, it is 220 is 40. You know 2 1 2 and 220 is 40. If I take 3 LCM here, so it is 3x plus 2x. So we can cross multiply. 20 into 3 equals to 5x. So it will be 23 is 60 divided by 5. So it will be 12. So what is the length of the garden? Length of the garden is 12 centimeter. It's 12 meter. And width is 2/3 of 12, because it is 2/3 of x. So 3 4 is 12. So it will come to 8 meter. We have one more problem. Okay. One more example. Each side of a triangle is increased by 10 centimeter. If the ratio of the parameter of the new triangle and the given triangle is 5:4, find the parameter of the given triangle. Now you know triangle has 3 sides. We know triangle has 3 sides. Let the side of the given triangle be ABC. Then the parameter of the triangle will be A plus B plus C. Now each side is increased by 10. So what will be the parameter of new triangle? It will be A plus 10 plus B plus 10 plus C plus 10. So it will be equals to A plus B plus C plus 30. Now what is given to us? The ratio of the parameter of new triangle. Now what is the parameter of new triangle? A plus B plus C plus 30 upon what the old triangle is A plus B plus C equals to 5 upon 4. Is it clear to you? Okay. Let A plus B plus C is equals to x. It means x is a parameter. So it will be x plus 30 upon x equals to 5 upon 4. So what is this x equals to? You know, x is equals to parameter of the given triangle. Is it clear to you? So now you cross multiply, so it will be 4x plus 30 equals to 5x. You know how to cross multiply. Okay, so it will be 4x plus 120 equals to 5x. So bring 4x on the right hand side, it will become minus. So x is equals to 120. So parameter of the given triangle is equals to x. So what it will be equals to? It will be equals to 120 centimeter. I think it is clear to everyone. Okay. Thank you, class.